What's up, guys? So today's May 12th. So the topic of today is when you're not making. So when I'm not making, really, I'm either working or spending time with the kids. The only other hobby I have outside of woodworking is I do go to Iowa and I go to a place in Bolingbrook and we play hockey on the weekends. Me and a buddy, we coach youth league hockey all winter long. And then we play drop-ins, and eventually I'm going to work my way up to being on a league with him. But that's really the only other hobby I have. Having two kids, a wife, and a full-time job, and hobbies such as woodworking doesn't leave a whole lot of time for anything else. So another quick video, guys. I appreciate it. Keep stopping in. We're gonna start getting into some better videos, a little bit more fun. So, as always, I'm Zach with Zebra Designs. You can find me at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Discord, Reddit, Pinterest. There's probably a couple more, but I can't remember them right now. But let's get to work.